Can we download videos from Thread app? Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, we'll discuss if we can download videos from the Thread app. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is open up your Thread app. After you're on your Thread app, you can simply search for the video that you want to download. So search for a video. So I'll just search for a video here. Let me just type in funny video and see what random video comes up. And let's say that this is the video that I want to download. This is the one on the top. If I open this up and if I simply open this video up, as you can see, there is no option to actually share this. So there is an option to share this, but there is no option to save this. So if that's the case, let's head over to this very post, and even in the post there is no option to save it. Tap on the three dots on the top right, and there is an option to save it that is inside the app but not to your gallery, so you cannot download the video. So I hope this video answers your question, guys, that you cannot download videos from Thread app. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos, and bye bye.